Hi everyone, it's Brian Miller, Executive Vice President of Your Building Industry Association of Northern Kentucky, coming at you with the October BIA update. First, some news about the Innsbruck Building Institute. A grand opening and open house for the new expansion will be hosted by the Sales and Marketing Council on Tuesday, October 13th from 2 p.m. until 5 p.m. The event is sponsored by Nair and Pella Windows. Join us for a free lunch and a drink or two to celebrate the opening of the brand new 5,000 square foot expansion. Watch your inbox for further details. Continuing education classes are right around the corner and set for October 22nd, right here at the BIA headquarters, where you can also access classes through a webinar online. Each class is $75, and you will receive 2 credits for each class taken. We are planning on both in-person as well as virtual options for the classes, so you can rest assured that we have your safety as part of our greatest concern. We are also following the same protocols as the public school system, so if you do attend, please note that we are taking every precaution to sanitize our space. The courses are as follows: 8:30 a.m. until 10:30 a.m. From volcanoes to pandemics, understanding resiliency and sustainability in residential construction. Backed by popular demand is Bill Sanderson of Urban Community Developers. Bill will provide an update about some exciting new projects in Northern Kentucky while reviewing HUD guidelines about building resiliency. His presentation is particularly relevant considering the many natural disasters builders have faced over the past several years, in addition to a global pandemic. Our course from 11 a.m. until 1 p.m. is what builders need to know about the state building plumbing code. Did you know there were some recent changes to the state plumbing code? Learn more and hear how state plumbing inspectors are updating and adapting inspections to incorporate the needed changes. Think this session will be boring? Well, you better think again. That same day from 2 to 4 p.m., COVID touched everything, including your taxes. Changes to tax law you need to know. As the end of the year approaches, your business needs to understand how COVID-19 and COVID-19 related changes have impacted the tax laws. The experts from Von Lehman will be on hand to fill you in and answer your questions in this informative session. We are working hard to make sure that the continuing education courses are crisp and relevant given today's special issues. Look out for more courses in December so all of your builder members can attain their mandatory 6 hours in continuing education while learning valuable insights that address your needs today. We have some exciting member milestones to announce. First off, 1 year of membership at the BIA, Burnside Fire Protection, C Forward, Complete Printer Source, Eckstein Roofing Company, Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation, Gateway Glass and Glazing, Ivy Mechanical, SSC Select Specialties Corporation, Cinco Electric, Specialty Interiors Incorporated, Tempe Development Services Limited, Triversity Construction LLC. Next are our 5-year members, celebrating 5 years of membership, Cincinnati Closets LLC, and Reds. 10 years of membership, JT Contracting of Northern Kentucky LLC. 15 years of membership, Jack Gemmer & Sons Incorporated and Zala Companies. And celebrating an outstanding 25 years of membership is JPS Construction Inc. Thank you, JPS. Please welcome our new members, J&T Enterprises and Tri-State Waterworks. Welcome to the team. We hope to see you soon. A real quick advocacy update. Did you know that Kenton County just added thousands of industrial acres to its comprehensive plan and future land use map? This has been a multi-year effort and will mean decades of industrial or commercial expansion in our region in the most natural progression possible, as Boone County is quickly running out of land zoned for industrial uses. Also in Kenton County, members involved in the Land Development Council and the Commercial Council have been engaged for 2 years in an effort to fix overly aggressive specifications for industrial and commercial pavement sections. We are nearing the end of that effort and believe that as a result, Kenton County will end up with a better pavement section for industrial and commercial streets that's also affordable and easy to construct. Why work towards zoning thousands of acres of industrial land if you can't afford to build the infrastructure it takes to bring that land to market? In Boone County, we are working on the I-275 Graves Road intersection study. A draft of proposed zoning has been released by the staff at the Boone County Planning Commission, and we are researching and pulling together comments from our residential and commercial industrial builder developers to provide feedback for them. Before you know it, the holidays will be upon us, and immediately afterwards we'll be following the 2021 session of the Kentucky General Assembly. Several bills are already being filed and others are being spoken about that will have an effect on your industry. Many of these will be discussed at the upcoming HBA of Kentucky Fall Board meeting just this week, including an effort to mandate sewer taps are installed no more than 4 feet deep. This will be affecting your ability and affordability to install all basement plumbing without adding expensive pumping systems. Many more advocacy issues face our industry on a day-to-day basis, simply too far many to list here. But rest assured that knowing that the BIA has your back in the county courthouses, planning commissions, city councils, and in Frankfort and Washington, D.C. If you have an issue you feel needs to be addressed, here's my cell, 859-653-4815, and my email is bmiller@buildersnky.com. Many have reached out, and in most cases, we have achieved a resolution for our members that make them happy, and they go away satisfied customers. Be sure to check out our LinkedIn and our Twitter accounts for all of our latest news. Follow us on Facebook to see what events are coming up, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see future BIA update videos just like this one. And make sure, it sure is nice to like, but it's even better to share. So when you see one of our social media posts that interests you, make sure to share it, not just with people within your company, but your family and friends across Northern Kentucky. Have a healthy and safe October. We look forward to seeing you again real soon. Bye-bye.